The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
What the? You know what I'm feeling? I feel like this is a big old, that person, they're such a, hey, well guys, hi, welcome to 5 Minute Fridays. I'm Ryan Shine from CDH, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how you can restrict these kinds of words from showing up in your social media within your Yammer network, okay? Because we don't want no Qbert, we don't want those kind of guys, and we don't want to end up looking like this guy either, okay? So Yammer comes with a pretty neat tool that allows you to have a whole series of keywords that can be monitored. And so you configure it so that an administrator can get an email, send an email whenever these keywords are being used. And so the kind of keywords we're talking about here, we're talking about like swear words, credit card numbers, passwords, IP addresses, that kind of stuff. So this can be really helpful in maintaining that your Yammer network is not only business professional, but also that it is also not going to be offending the users of it that are out there. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay, so the first thing I found is I went out to I just started doing a search for this, and I found the spreadsheet, and it was listed by Eric. I think his last name is, let's see, I want to give his kudos here, Vinorer, and so I'll just kind of maximize it here, but I found a spreadsheet of over 550 different keywords that you can monitor. We're talking national insurance, network addresses, passwords, credit cards, and then we get into French swear words, English swear words, like Italian swear words. It's got all different swear words for the different nationalities. So if someone calls you a bad name, you maybe don't even know it, but it's in here. It's a lot. So just for English alone, there's 350 different swear words or versions of it. So these right here, this column here, the regular expression, that's what we can use. And so what I've done is I copied those, and then inside your Yammer admin panel, you can go into your administrative center, you can go to Yammer, and then what you're looking for is over here, you're looking for monitoring of keywords. Monitoring of keywords. So you give that a click, you take these regular expressions, and then you just paste them in so that they show up pretty nicely right there. And then you're able to configure an email address. Who's the main administrator or curator of your Yammer network? So right here, I've just put myself in there for now, okay? And so what we're gonna do, let's test this out. So I'm gonna go over to my Yammer network now, and I'm gonna try to create a little post, and I'm gonna use one of those keywords. So I'm gonna say, this is my normal password, PASSW0RD, okay? I say post, it posts it, and then Yammer's now using its keywords to start monitoring that. It's looking for these things, and I'm going to get an email address that tells me, hey, email says, hey, this keyword has now been used. So let's go check it out. Let's fly over to my inbox. And there it is, folks. There's my inbox that came through. This was from a demo. You can see, hey, this is my password. Right there is the password. It gives me a link right to the item. So now I can be informed as the administrator and the curator of my social network to make sure that those keywords are not being used. And then your company can develop any kind of policy it wants to help in the administration and how it wants to use that. So very, very cool. And so some simple guidelines. And in the bottom here in the comments, on this video, I'll be posting the link directly to the spreadsheet and to the blog post or the community post, so those folks can get credit for the work that they have done. So remember, you want to avoid the and the this and the this. You want to have a really good, well-defined keywords that you can use inside your social network so that you can monitor that and keep a professional edge within your social environment. Thanks a lot. This is Ryan from CDH for another 5 Minute Fridays. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.